Very good.
And with one person, place or thing. And very good, dear children. Good morning, students. Good morning, students. I am your English teacher. It's date and day.
Hello everyone. I am Kirat Singh of Class 1-2. As we know, there are so many community helpers, those who help us and make our lives easier by providing us goods and services. Today I am here to present a role play on one of the community helpers who is teacher. And this role play is dedicated to my teacher.
Good morning, students. I am your English teacher. Today I am going to teach you has and have. So, take out my English practice book and page number 49. Dear children, please hurry up. I will give you only 1 minute only to take out my English practice book and page number 49. And write down today's date. Today is 1-3-2021. And the day is Monday. So, has is used for he, she or it, and with one person, place or thing. And have is used for I, you, we or they, and more than one person, place or thing. Now let's take an example and you will tell me one by one. I dash a toy. Yes, very good. I have a toy. He dash a boat. Yes, very good. He has a boat. The elephant dash big ears. Yes, very good. The elephant has big ears. Very good, dear children.
Teaching is the profession that teaches all of the other professions. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Tata.